Owning a yacht is a dream come true for many people, but it also comes with a lot of responsibility. A yacht is not only a valuable asset, but also a complex machine that requires regular care and attention. Proper yacht maintenance is essential for ensuring the safety, performance, comfort, and appearance of your vessel. It can also save you money in the long run by preventing costly repairs and extending the lifespan of your yacht. In this video, we will cover some of the most important aspects of yacht maintenance that you need to know as a yacht owner. We will discuss how to maintain the fiberglass and gel coat, canvas and isinglass, upholstery and vinyl, brightwork, and below waterline components of your yacht. We will also provide some tips and tricks on how to keep your yacht in top condition throughout the year. The fiberglass and gel coat are the outer layers that protect the underlying structure of your yacht from water, weather, UV rays, and other environmental factors. They also give your yacht its glossy and smooth appearance. However, over time, these surfaces can become dull, chalky, stained, scratched, or cracked due to exposure to salt water, sun, dirt, debris, and wear and tear. To maintain the fiberglass and gel coat of your yacht, you need to follow these steps. Clean, use a marine-specific cleaner or soap and a soft brush or sponge to wash your yacht regularly. Rinse thoroughly with fresh water to remove any salt or dirt residue. Avoid using abrasive or harsh cleaners that can damage the gel coat. Wax, apply a high-quality marine wax or sealant to your yacht at least twice a year or more often depending on use. Waxing creates a protective barrier that prevents oxidation and fading of the gel coat. It also enhances the shine and color of your yacht. Polish, use a marine polish or compound and a buffer or polisher to remove any minor scratches or stains from your gel coat. Polishing restores the smoothness and glossiness of your yacht. Repair, inspect your yacht for any cracks or chips in the gel coat or fiberglass. If you find any damage, use a gel coat repair kit or epoxy resin to fill in the gaps. Follow the manufacturer's instructions carefully and sand the area until smooth. The canvas and isinglass are the fabric materials that cover the cockpit, bimini top, dodger, windows, enclosures, cushions, sails, and other parts of your yacht. They provide shade, shelter, privacy, comfort, and aesthetics to your vessel. However, they can also deteriorate quickly if not properly cared for. They can become dirty, moldy, faded, torn, or brittle due to exposure to moisture, sunlight, dust, pollen, and insects. To maintain the canvas and isinglass of your yacht, you need to follow these steps. Clean, use a mild soap or detergent and a soft brush or cloth to wash your canvas and isinglass regularly. Rinse well with fresh water to remove any soap residue. Avoid using bleach, ammonia, or alcohol-based cleaners that can damage the fabric or plastic. Protect, apply a water repellent or UV-resistant spray or coating to your canvas and isinglass at least once a year or more often depending on use. Protecting your fabric and plastic materials prevents leaks, stains, fading, and cracking. It also improves the clarity and visibility of your windows and enclosures. Restore, use a canvas or isinglass restorer or cleaner to remove any stubborn dirt, mildew, or yellowing from your fabric or plastic materials. Restoring your canvas and isinglass revives the color, texture, and appearance of your yacht. Repair, inspect your canvas and isinglass for any holes, rips, or tears. If you find any damage, use a canvas or isinglass repair kit or tape to patch up the area. Follow the manufacturer's instructions carefully and sew or glue the patch securely. The upholstery and vinyl are the leather, cloth, or synthetic materials that cover the seats, cushions, headliners, walls, floors, and other parts of your yacht. They provide comfort, style, and insulation to your vessel. However, they can also get dirty, stained, worn, or damaged due to exposure to water, food, drinks, oil, grease, sweat, and other substances. To maintain the upholstery and vinyl of your yacht, you need to follow these steps. Clean, use a vacuum cleaner or a soft brush to remove any dust, dirt, crumbs, or hair from your upholstery and vinyl regularly. Use a marine-specific cleaner or soap and a damp cloth or sponge to wipe down your upholstery and vinyl gently. Rinse with a clean cloth or sponge and dry with a towel or air dry. Avoid using abrasive or harsh cleaners that can discolor or damage the fabric or vinyl. Condition, apply a marine-specific conditioner or protectant to your upholstery and vinyl at least once a month or more often depending on use. Conditioning your fabric or vinyl materials prevents drying, cracking, fading, and aging. It also restores the softness and shine of your yacht. Repair, inspect your upholstery and vinyl for any burns, cuts, scratches, or holes. If you find any damage, use a upholstery or vinyl repair kit or glue to fix the area. Follow the manufacturer's instructions carefully and match the color and texture of your fabric or vinyl. The bright work are the wood surfaces and trims that adorn the deck, cockpit, cabin, furniture, and other parts of your yacht. They provide warmth, elegance, and character to your vessel. However, they also require significant upkeep as they are exposed to UV rays, moisture, saltwater, dirt, and wear and tear. To maintain the bright work of your yacht, you need to follow these steps. Refinish: use a scraper or a heat gun to remove any old varnish or paint from your wood surfaces and trims. Sand the wood until smooth and clean with mineral spirits. Apply a marine-specific stain or primer if desired. Apply several coats of marine-specific varnish or paint with a brush or roller. Sand lightly between coats and let dry completely. Seal: apply a marine-specific sealant or oil to your wood surfaces and trims at least once a year or more often depending on use. Sealing your wood materials prevents water penetration, rotting, warping, and cracking. It also enhances the color and grain of your wood. Polish: use a marine-specific polish or wax and a cloth or buffer to polish your wood surfaces and trims periodically. Polishing your wood materials removes any dirt, dust, or fingerprints. It also adds a protective layer and a glossy finish to your yacht. The below waterline components are the parts of your yacht that are submerged in water when in use. They include the seacocks, anodes, propeller, shaft, and hull. They are essential for the operation, performance, and safety of your vessel. However, they can also suffer from corrosion, erosion, fouling, or damage due to exposure to saltwater, marine life, debris, and impact. To maintain the below waterline components of your yacht, you need to follow these steps. Inspect: use a diver or a camera to inspect your below waterline components regularly. Look for any signs of corrosion, wear, damage, or growth on the seacocks, anodes, propeller, shaft, and hull. Check for any leaks, cracks, or holes in the hull. Service: use a marine-specific lubricant or grease to service your seacocks at least once a year or more often depending on use. Service your propeller and shaft by checking their alignment, balance, and condition. Replace any worn or damaged parts as needed. Replace your anodes at least once a year or more often depending on the level of corrosion or erosion. Anodes are sacrificial metal pieces that protect your metal components from galvanic corrosion. Replace your anodes when they are more than 50% consumed or corroded. Clean your hull at least once a month or more often depending on the level of fouling or growth. Fouling is the accumulation of algae, barnacles, mussels, and other marine organisms on your hull. Fouling can reduce the speed, fuel efficiency, and maneuverability of your yacht. Use a marine-specific anti-fouling paint or coating to prevent or reduce fouling. Use a scraper, brush, or pressure washer to remove any existing fouling from your hull. As you can see, yacht maintenance is not a simple task. It requires time, effort, and money to keep your yacht in top condition. However, it is also a rewarding and enjoyable activity that can enhance your yachting experience and preserve your investment. By following the steps and tips we have provided in this video, you can ensure that your yacht is always ready for sailing. We hope you enjoyed this video and learned something new about the world of luxury. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up and leave a comment below. We would love to hear your feedback and suggestions for future videos. And if you haven't already, please subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to get notified whenever we upload a new video. We have more exciting and fascinating videos coming your way soon. Until then, stay tuned and stay luxurious.